Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Bindu Suresh. I'm a physician with Apollo Clinic and Swati Clinic at Bindu in Bangalore. Persons infected with bird flu show flu-like symptoms such as high-grade fever associated with headache, generalized body aches, weakness, runny nose, sore throat, cough, breathing difficulties, and occasionally diarrhea. In severe cases, they develop pneumonia and acute respiratory distress. Sometimes it leads to sepsis and multi-organ failure. The form H5N1 has a very high mortality rate.